and welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse. We're so excited. We're kicking off our school year with our letter C. C is for cookie. And we have a few different themes. We're going to start off with our cookie, C is for cookie theme, with our preschool and kindergarten friends, with a fun reading of If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Numeroff, one of our favorites. And then with the older kiddos, second and third graders, we are doing a carrot study where our students are going to get to work in the garden, harvest carrots, plant carrots, and bake carrot muffins. We have an entire lesson built around that. And then the older kiddos, fourth and fifth grade, are doing a Coco Chanel study with a biographical text there. So lots of fun. All the lessons are up on our shop and our website, so they're all there. You can shop now. And we wanted to show you this quick extension activity to our text. So little learners, we have these mini cookies, and these little guys are from Trader Joe's. And learners are just using their glue stick, putting the glue all the way down. So we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna curve around like so with our mini cookies. These alphabet cards are available on our shop, and these are for little learners pre-K through first grade. Capital letters, A through Z, and there's weekly fun themes that you can use, as I did here. Of course, as an accompaniment with the text, we have milk, just like the character in our book, the little mouse, and cookies. So we're using these small cookies for our fine motor to create our C's, and then we're going to bake homemade cookies of our own. But first, we have our character that we want to make. So I'm wearing overalls, just like our little character in our book, our mouse, and we are going to make a mouse with you today. In the text, we have crayons that our little character gets, scissors, glue, and we're going to make him now. All you have to do is get a paper bag, so just a paper lunch bag, and this is going to be his head, his top part. Now I happen to have denim paper, so I have cut little overalls, just like I'm wearing today, out of my denim paper. Now most craft stores sell this fun little denim paper, so we're going to cut it out using this as our template, our little lunch bag, and we're just going to go ahead and put glue on here. Got googly eyes, and we can count with our preschool friends. So how many eyes do you have? 1, 2, we have 2 eyes. And for our little nose, we're gonna match it up just like our character in our book. He has a pink nose. And then we're going to draw with Sharpie little whiskers, little black whiskers. All right, so we have pink ears, so we're just gonna work on our fine motor for our little learners. And again, we're just freehanding 2 big circles for our little ears in the corner. There's our cute little mouse. So here's our little mouse that ties in with our text, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Numeroff. As always, in the Little Red Schoolhouse, we bring books to life. And come join us on our adventure in learning at the Little Red Schoolhouse, www.adventuresintheschoolhouse.com, and come join our adventure.